KB5075941 update addresses an issue where certain GPU configurations might recently have experienced a system error resulting in the kernel security check error. If you are unable to install this update, follow the instructions in this video.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop woo-serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 catroot2.old. Type netstart woo-serve. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart msi server. Type exit, and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes.